I am your FinXcel. What if I told you most people don't lose money because they don't earn enough? They lose it because they never learned how to control it. And the scary part? You might be making good money, but still slowly losing the wealth game. Today, I'm going to show you why income is not wealth, why willpower doesn't work, why stress keeps you poor, and the one framework that changes everything. And if you stay till the end, I'll give you a system you can use immediately, even if you're starting from zero. Let's begin. Here's the truth. Money leaves emotionally. Spending is emotional. Earning is logical. That mismatch destroys people. Most don't track, don't plan, don't design. They react. Money comes in, bills go out. Something breaks. Impulse buys happen. Credit card swipe. Repeat. It's not a money problem, it's a control problem. And control starts with understanding one critical difference most people ignore. Income is what you earn. Cash flow is what stays and moves intentionally. Two people can earn the same salary. One builds wealth, one lives paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because wealth isn't about income, it's about direction. If money comes in and instantly goes out, you don't have income, you have movement. And before growth, before investing, before business, you need something more important. Everyone wants growth, but growth without command leads to chaos. If you can't control $1,000, you won't control $100,000. More money amplifies who you already are. Disorganized? You'll be disorganized at a higher level. Impulsive? You'll be impulsive with bigger numbers. Command means knowing where money goes, giving every dollar a role, making decisions in advance. Because growth without control is just accelerated stress. Willpower is emotional. Systems are mechanical. Which one do you trust? Most people say, I'll save next month. I'll stop spending. I'll invest soon. That's willpower. And willpower fades at 9 p.m., after stress, after social pressure. Systems don't care about your mood. Automatic transfers, spending limits, separate accounts, investment automation. Wealth isn't built by motivation, it's built by design. And there's one design flaw that silently destroys progress. You get a raise, you upgrade your life. New phone, better car, better apartment, more subscriptions. Income goes up, savings stay the same. That's lifestyle inflation. It's silent, it feels deserved, it feels normal, but it traps you at every income level. The goal isn't to increase lifestyle with income. The goal is to increase margin, because margin creates freedom. People say, I'll invest when I earn more. I'll save when things stabilize. But stability never arrives. The habit must exist before the income does. If you can save 5% now, you can save 15% later. If you can't save now, more money won't fix it. Wealth building starts with structure, not scale. Saving is static. Flow is strategic. If you only save, inflation eats it. If you only invest, you risk instability. Real wealth is controlled flow. Income, expenses, emergency, investments, long-term assets. Money should move with intention, not sit, not scatter. Flow gives power, but power misused becomes dangerous. And that brings us to leverage. Leverage can build wealth or destroy you. Credit, loans, investments, business. Used correctly, it accelerates growth. Used emotionally, it collapses. The key is this: never use leverage to impress, only to increase income capacity. If leverage increases stress, it's too early. Your nervous system plays a bigger role in money than you think. Money stress changes decisions. When you feel survival pressure, panic selling, overspending, avoiding planning, a calm nervous system builds wealth. That's why emergency funds matter, why margin matters, why systems matter. Wealth is built in calm seasons, not chaos.
And calm only works if you're thinking long term. The rich think in decades. Most people think in months. Investing works because of time. Compounding works because of time. Skill growth works because of time. Time only rewards consistency, not excitement, not hype, not trends. Long-term thinking removes urgency, and urgency is expensive. Freedom doesn't come from more effort. It comes from fewer decisions. Automate savings, investing, bills. Reduce random purchases, financial decisions, emotional spending. Focus on income skill. Let systems handle money. That's how you buy back mental space. Wealth isn't about salary. It's about command, margin, systems, automation, long time horizon, calm nervous system. Income helps, but systems win. If you build systems, income becomes powerful. If you chase income without systems, it disappears. Don't chase money. Build the machine that holds it. That's how ordinary people quietly become wealthy. At the beginning, I told you, most people don't lose money because they don't earn enough. They lose it because they never learned how to control it. Now you know the difference. If this changed your perspective, like the video, share it with someone who needs this, and subscribe, because we don't just talk about money here, we build systems that create freedom. See you in the next one.